A massive data breach has exposed the personal information of over 56 million clothing store customers. This breach includes names, email addresses, phone numbers, and detailed purchase histories. In this video, we'll explain what happened, the risks involved, and how you can protect yourself. What happened in the data breach? Hackers accessed a major retailer's database, compromising sensitive customer information. The breach was discovered on November 15, 2024, after being active for over 6 months. Personal data, including customer names, contact details, and purchase records, was exposed. This breach highlights the growing vulnerabilities in cybersecurity for major organizations. Risks associated with the data breach. 1. Phishing attacks. Stolen email addresses may be used to send fake messages designed to steal sensitive information. These phishing attempts often appear legitimate, tricking victims into revealing account details. 2. Identity theft. Hackers can misuse personal data like phone numbers and addresses to impersonate victims. This may result in financial fraud, account takeovers, or unauthorized credit applications. 3. Account compromises. If you reused passwords, hackers might exploit this data to gain access to your other accounts. This can lead to financial loss, exposure of private data, and unauthorized purchases. What is the retailer doing about it? The retailer has launched an investigation with cybersecurity experts to contain the breach. Impacted customers are being notified and offered free credit monitoring services for protection. The company is reinforcing its cybersecurity systems to prevent future incidents like this. Steps you can take to protect yourself. Step 1. Monitor your financial accounts regularly. Check your bank and credit card statements for unauthorized charges or unusual activity. Enable alerts from your financial institutions to detect and respond to suspicious transactions. Step 2. Change your passwords immediately. Update passwords for accounts associated with the retailer and any other accounts you reused. Create strong, unique passwords that combine letters, numbers, and special characters. Step 3. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. 2FA adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of verification for account access. This helps protect your accounts even if hackers obtain your login credentials. Step 4. Watch out for phishing attempts. Avoid clicking on suspicious links or opening emails that claim to be from the retailer. Verify the sender's address and contact the retailer directly if you suspect a phishing scam. Step 5. Use credit monitoring services. Take advantage of the free credit monitoring services offered by the company after the breach. These services can alert you to unusual activity, such as attempts to open new accounts in your name. How Cyber AI Pros can help protect you. At Cyber AI Pros, we specialize in advanced cybersecurity solutions for businesses and individuals. Our services include endpoint protection, daily monitored backups, and phishing prevention tools. Visit cyberaipros.com to learn how we can help secure your digital life and protect your valuable data. Conclusion. This breach highlights the importance of strong cybersecurity and staying vigilant about personal data. By following these steps and adopting best practices, you can reduce the risks of future breaches. If this video was helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more cybersecurity insights.